All right, welcome back. I have a box. Stogie bird. Stogie bird. So I got this yesterday. Sat outside for 5 hours. Wife got home. Didn't take it out of the mailbox. Sat there all night. Got it this morning. So let's see how bad these cigars are. Probably not bad. All right. Got my cold steel katana blade. I picked it up at a gun show. It's pretty sharp. All right. Here we go. What do we have? We have the tube. And we have a coaster and a pen. Okay. A little pen and a little coaster. It's kind of cool. It's really nice because my dog chewed up another coaster the other day. How did they know? All right. Okay. Got the list of cigars. It's a 2-pager. Oh, what's this? Oh, all right. Some special deals going on. Okay. Now, let's see what we got in here. Pop this open. Right, we have cigars and stickers. That's it. Same sticker as last time. Okay. Same sticker as last time. Little Stogie bird again. What we got here? Little pirate. And a unicorn. Okay. R2-D2. Cool. Bag is sealed pretty good. It's Ziploc. And then they like heat treat it. I guess they kind of heat it on there so you can feel the air. Let's open her up. Okay. All right. What do we have inside? Boveda pack. Very nice. And that's it. Okay. First thing we have here, we'll go with this little one first. These are good now. Where I live, it's starting to get really cooler out. You know, you don't want to smoke outside as long, so. All right. I have, what is this? This is a La Barba. Okay, yeah. La Barba. Dominican, Mexican, sun-grown wrapper, Indonesian, Dominican, some Nicaraguan, and Pennsylvanian. We'll give it a try, What we got here? An Ezra Zion. I have one of these in my humidor, actually. A little longer, though. Nicaraguan. Probably why I have it. Let's see here. Mexican, Nicaraguan, strength medium. Oh, and the strength on this is medium also. Let's see here. We have Epic Cigars. Habano. Origins Dominican wrapper. Ecuadorian Habano. Okay. A lot of Dominican in this little batch right here. What we got here? Cattle Baron? Is that? Let's see here. Okay. Trail Boss Cattle Baron. Again, another Dominican. A lot of Dominicans. I am not a big fan of Dominicans, but I'll give them a try. Only because I bought them. Might as well smoke them. Let's see here. This is a 222 Habano Amendola? I don't know. Honduras. Nicaraguan. Alright, so this is strength medium. It's not bad. Here we have Races Cabanas 1941. Is an Alec Bradley. Alright, pretty long. 7 inches by 49 is a Churchill. Okay. This guy right here, which also looks like it's the special deal guy right here. M. Esteli, Bombay Tobacco, Costa Rica. It's a Costa Rican cigar. Okay. Binders Dominican, fillers Nicaraguan, medium strength. Very few of these are full strength. I think they're mostly all mediums. Yeah, there's only like 2 full. Oh, don't run away. Okay. And the last one here, it's a Lonsdale. Very skinny, very long. Got a nice picture of a woman on a dress. Okay, okay. Saber de Esteli. I can't pronounce any of this. I'm so American. All right, yeah. This is a little 6.5 by 42. I don't normally smoke real skinny cigars, but give it a shot. So that's what I got. This is October from Stogie Bird. Got some stickers, a little Boda pack, coaster, and the cigars. I still got cigars from last month. I still haven't smoked yet. Been smoking other things. So, yeah, that's it. See you guys next time.